Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying safe at home. My name is Nikita. So finally uploading a video after so long. The thing is that I broke my phone and I couldn't shoot any video. So finally I have my new phone and I'm shooting with my new phone. So yeah, coming back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you few of the makeup items which I have over here. Also I've already done a separate video for skincare, so if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll leave the link of that in the description box below. Make sure that you go and give it a watch. Also do watch my other videos as well. So yeah, now let's get started with today's video. Let's get started with this black box right here. There's just one item over here, but look at the box, such a big box. So yeah, this is from the Nykaa luxury store, and let's look what's in here. So the very first product I have is this MAC ka kajal. This is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 24-hour kajal eyeliner. The price of this is 675 rupees, and this is a mini kajal from MAC. All right, look at this, it is quite small. Now let me show you the swatch of this. This is like an intense black kajal. Also I've already used it, and yeah, it is like an intense black kajal, which is really good, and obviously it has to be good. It is from MAC. Along with this product I got a sample free, which is of a Fix Plus, and look at this, it is so cute. Oh my god, let me just spray this on my face. Let's see, if I find it good, then I will for sure purchase it in the future. Now let's move on to the next box. Also I think there's only one item, or what? Yeah, there's only one item. Along with that I got another sample free. This is the, let me show you the free product first. This is the Vitamin Glow Primer. This is from Smashbox. This is the actual product which I got. This is the Smashbox X Malvika Sitlani Always On Mini Matte Duo. So this one I wanted to get it from a very long time. I finally have it, and I got this during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. These are the two liquid lipsticks from Smashbox. The first one is the Smashbox lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. The second one is in the shade Babe Alert. So these are the two liquid lipsticks. These are the mini ones. Yeah, I've kept this for Durga Puja. So yeah, this was the item. Now let's move on to the next box. Alright, the next item I have is this PAC ka brush. This is a concealer brush. Alright, also I've heard a lot of things about PAC brushes, so finally I have one. This one I got for applying concealer on my face, so I'm really excited to use this. And also it's really soft. The bristles are really soft, so I'm really excited to use this. I'm going to use this for sure in my next video. Also the price of this concealer brush is rupees 395. Alright, the next item I have is this Swiss Beauty ka liquid concealer. Now let me open it up and show you. Also this one I got it in a lighter shade. This is in the shade Scent Sable, and obviously it's lighter than my skin tone. I got this one for highlighting the high points of my face. Also once you apply concealer, you can use a lighter shade to highlight your under eyes and all of that. So I got this for that purpose, to highlight my face, and I haven't used it yet. This is way lighter than my skin tone. Let me swatch it. Look at this, this is way lighter than my skin. So yeah, this one I got for highlighting, not to conceal my dark circles. Also the price of this concealer is, this is very affordable. Okay, the price of this is somewhere around 200 or so, I think. Yeah. Alright, the next product I have is this Maybelline ka Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. The reason I got this is because now mere paas hai wo wala ye wala mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I do not like this one because this is waterproof and it's very difficult to remove this mascara. I know, look, I have applied this and it will be very difficult for me to remove this. Like, to remove waterproof mascara is a struggle. Alright, so I do not enjoy using this. That's the reason I got this Maybelline ka mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara, so this is like an easy wash mascara. So this one will, this will get easily removed. Yeah, the reason I got is because I do not like waterproof mascaras. Okay, the price of this is 310 rupees, but obviously I got it on a discounted rate. I don't know how much. So yeah, this was the item. Next I have these two eyeshadow palettes. These are from ColourPop. The first one is the ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette, and the other one is ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. So I'm going to make a separate video on these two palettes. I'm going to create looks using this. So yeah, I'm going to use this. I'm going to show you in my next video. Now let me open it up and show you. This is the first palette. This is the It's My Pleasure palette, and I haven't used it yet. Look at this. There's a mirror. There's a full size mirror. Alright, so I'm not going to show you the swatches of this palette, but I'll definitely show you the swatch of the other palette, because I'm going to include this one in my trying out new makeup products video. So that's the reason I'm not going to swatch this, but it's a beautiful palette. So here is the Going Coconuts palette, and I'm going to show you the swatches of few of the shades. So this is how this palette looks like, which is so beautiful. Also, here's a full size mirror. Look, there's a mirror over here, and these are the shades. Now let me swatch some of the shades for you. This shade right here is so pigmented. Oh god. This one, a matte shade. Look at this, it's so pretty. This eyeshadow palette is so pretty. Also, it has like a mix of a matte and metallic shades, which is good. Really excited about this. These eyeshadow palettes are not available on Nykaa. You can get it from few Instagram stores who sell international makeup items, so you can go and get it from there. I think Nykaa is launching ColourPop, or I don't know, I'm not sure about that. So yeah, these are the eyeshadow palettes. Now coming to the last and final item of this haul video. This is a, what is this? This is a lip crayon. I got this one a long time ago, so I've already, I don't remember it anymore. This is the purple lip crayon matte. Okay, so basically this is like a lip crayon. This is in the shade From Me to My Gang number 7. This is from the brand Purple. So let me swatch. This is like a maroon shade. This I haven't used it, but I think it's really pigmented, because I already have lip crayons from Purple, and it's really good. So I got another one in a different shade. The price of this is 435 rupees, but again, I think there was like a 50% off on this particular lipstick, so that's the reason I got. And yeah, this is about today's video. I hope you liked it. This is, I think this will turn out to be like a very short video. So yeah, this is about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much for watching till the end. So yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.